Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, western Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waterloo to near Edgerton to near Rock City, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Watertown, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Heartland, Delavan, Jefferson, Delafield, Lake Mills, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Waterloo, Brodhead, Wales, Waukesha Lake, and Oconomowoc. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fond du Lac County.